Hello guys, today we will discuss about count function. So my first thing is, this is my data, ID, product, quantity, unit price and is delivered. So I will name few count functions and we will interpret the same function with the Power BI. Okay, my first function is count function. So let me just copy it down. Okay, so my measure has been created here. If I will display the measure, so for the count function it will give 12 counts. As in the data you can see there are 12 values but 2 values are missing. At most there are 14 values but 2 values are missing, so it has been represented as 12. Next thing is count A. So in the count A, let me just visualize this one. So in the count A you can see 13 values are there. Since you can see in the data for the 14 value, 1 value is missing, so 13 is my output. Is deliver column is there, table 1 is deliver. Next is count X. So in the count X you can see that there is a filter option is here, table 1 is deliver is true, then table 1 quantity. So what it will do is, let me show you the output. So it has counted 8. So how it has counted 8? The true, how many values of true are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the 8 is my output here. Next is count AX. So in the count AX also it has been represented as 8. My next formula is count blank. So count blank, what it will do, it will count the number of blank spaces. So there are 2 blank spaces here. Next is count rows. In count rows, you can see here, it will count the number of rows in the dataset. 14 should be the output. So 14 is my output. Next is distant count. Okay. So what it has produced? So it has produced distant count is 10. Next is distant count, no blank. So it will give the output as 9, distant count, no blank. Okay. So this is all about count function. See you in the next class.